At today's event, we're going to be looking at BR135. We're going to be looking at buildings above 18 metres and fire-safe solutions for the range screen market. As part of this event, we're going to be delivering a new CPD to our audience. We're also going to be looking at some high-performance product systems and solutions which will support architects and contractors in delivering current building regulations.
The approved documents provide guidance to meet the building regulations. All make reference to the requirements for the safe design of high-rise buildings. The external walls of the building shall adequately resist the spread of fire over the walls and from one building to another, having regard to the height, use and position of the building. These requirements have been in place since 1991, and it's the high-profile fires in high-rise buildings which has increased the need to enforce the guidance given. With the completion of a number of construction projects not compliant with approved document B or the guidance under BR135, Building Control Alliance, in conjunction with its members, looked to readdress the misunderstanding within the market. In July 2015, after the revision of BCA Guidance Note 18, NHBC published their technical bulletin, echoing the BCA stance, and included a fourth option for compliance.
We have a new UValue calculation tool which is now available online, and we have actually built this data now into our UValue calculation tools. So not only have we sort of reduced the UValue, we've actually improved the accuracy of our calculations. And in fact, a lot of the systems we submitted to BBA at the time were based on masonry outer leafs, so completely different construction type. One of the processes that we use when we manufacture range screen duo slab in particular is what we call dual density technology. We take the primary fleece and we compress a larger amount of insulation into the top 50 millimetres of the product. This allows for a very robust surface, front face to the product, helps to prevent the overdriving of fixings. There's no real requirements for extra protection. In terms of the rock wall itself, it doesn't require any protection at all.
The most important thing I'm going to take from today is the UValue calculator that's online, because it will enable my clients to put forward rockwool at an early stage rather than getting to the end of the process and not putting rockwool forward, and then we can put forward rockwool, and I just think it's a great tool.
The most important thing I shall take away from today is the ability of rockwool to re-evaluate their mathematical calculations for the thickness of the materials they need to achieve the insulation requirements.
I was really happy that Rockwool gave me the opportunity to have a one-to-one chat with the representatives of the company and to actually raise issues that I've seen myself in the design process and talk about some weaknesses of the systems that have been used so far. And I think that's the best way to actually have a two-way communication.